Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a last minute Halloween snacks for your kids. So if you like to know how to make these, then please keep on watching. So the first one that I did was with these mandarin fruit cups, or you can use the peach fruit cups as long as it's orange. And all I did was draw some pumpkin faces on them with a permanent marker. For this next one, you're gonna need some blow pops, some coffee filters, and some ribbon. And all you're gonna do is place the coffee filter over the lollipop and then tie it with the ribbon. And then you're gonna go ahead and draw some eyes on the coffee paper. And there you have your little ghost. This next one is also super easy. All you're gonna need are some mandarins, and you're gonna go ahead and draw some cute little pumpkin faces on them. This next one is actually my personal favorite, and all you're gonna need are some juice boxes and some construction paper. And then once you pick out the colors that you're gonna use, you're gonna go ahead and measure out the juice box to the size of the construction paper. Once you have your construction paper measured out, you're going to go ahead and start to wrap it around the juice box and then hot glue it together. And then once you're all done, you can go ahead and start to glue some googly eyes on them, and then just draw different faces to your liking. This next one is also very easy, and all you're going to need are some peanut butter or cheese crackers, and then you're going to go ahead and draw some pumpkin faces on those. For this next one, you're going to need some pudding, and then you're going to also need some construction paper. And you're going to do the same thing that you did with the juice boxes, is go ahead and measure out the construction paper to the pudding. And then once you have them measured out, you're going to go ahead and repeat the same process as before, and then just hot glue it to the pudding cup. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and start to draw your little faces on the cups. For this last one, you're going to go ahead and grab some Go-Gurts, and then I had tissue paper on hand, so that's what I used, but you can also use gauze. And what I did is I started to wrap up the tissue paper, and then once I had those all wrapped up, I started to wrap it around the Go-Gurt, hot gluing as I needed. And then once I had the tissue paper wrapped around the Go-Gurt, I went ahead and glued on some googly eyes so they looked like little mummies. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you guys do recreate any of these, I'd love to see what you guys came up with. So please tag me on my Instagram. Thank you guys again for all the support, and I hope you guys have a happy Halloween.